You're seeing an intermittent front airbag malfunction warning in your Mercedes, but the dealer says they can't find the problem. Yes, this is a known issue, and it's caused by a physical flaw from the factory. The airbag wiring harness under the front seat is simply too short. Every time the seat moves forward or back, that harness stretches. Over years of adjustments, the tension weakens the connection at the main yellow SRS plug. The small metal pins inside wear down, creating high electrical resistance, or sometimes a micro break in the wire itself. That's why the fault appears randomly with vibration or right after you move the seat. To a diagnostic tool, the error shows as stored, not current, which is why a mechanic often can't reproduce it in the shop. Now, Mercedes did release a software update for this, but be aware, this update does not fix the failing wire. It just tells the airbag control unit to be less sensitive. The original system flagged a fault if resistance was outside the 2.0 to 3.0 ohm range. The update widens that window to between 1.8 and 3.5 ohms, essentially telling the car to ignore the early signs of a bad connection. It turns the light off but leaves. The root cause. You have two ways to fix this properly. The official way is a repair kit from Mercedes. That includes a harness extension, adding the slack the wire always needed. The second is a simple DIY repair. First, disconnect the battery for safety. Then, unplug the yellow connector under the seat. You can't miss it. Use a quality contact cleaner on the pins, let it dry, and apply a small amount of dielectric grease. When you plug it back in, use a zip tie to firmly secure the connector to a fixed part of the seat frame. This stops it from moving and breaking contact again. An intermittent fault isn't just an annoyance, it's a safety risk. A system with a high-resistance connection might not deploy the airbag correctly in a collision. Fixing the physical connection is the only way to be sure the system is ready.